The Collective Security Treaty Organization is an intergovernmental military alliance in Eurasia that consists of selected post-Soviet states. The treaty had its origins to the Soviet Armed Forces, which was gradually replaced by the United Armed Forces of the Commonwealth of Independent States. However, on 15 May 1992, 6 post-Soviet states belonging to the Commonwealth of Independent States, Russia, Armenia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan, signed the Collective Security Treaty. 3 other post-Soviet states, Azerbaijan, Belarus, and Georgia, signed the next year and the treaty took effect in 1994. 5 years later, 6 of the 9, all but Azerbaijan, Georgia, and Uzbekistan, agreed to renew the treaty for 5 more years, and in 2002 those 6 agreed to create the Collective Security Treaty Organization as a military alliance. The CSTO Charter reaffirmed the desire of all participating states to abstain from the use or threat of force. Signatories would not be able to join other military alliances or other groups of states, while aggression against one signatory would be perceived as an aggression against all. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.